Okay guys, we're gonna go to Canada. It's a song Cold Dark Nights. Florida, Georgia, South Carolina. One by one we pass the state's lines.
Spotty, you're home. Home.
But for the sunrise, we went on our first prom burn. We had to repair our core hose.
Right, let's go. Check out what plant and vegetable they are growing all along this highway here.
What's over here? Mommy, I'm gonna give you a second. We stopped by this cool visitor center. I'm doing
There's all the
this.
Civil War bullets.
Daddy, look, I'm doing this. And Keston and my long County.
Okay, Adrian. Take one.
I'm watching. That's salt water.
Yeah, well, it's North Carolina coast. Going down.
We went all the way to the ferry, find out it was closed. So back to town we sped.
Rack's drink was Ukrainian farmers.
This is where Pepsi was made. We went in the Trent River Coffee house.
You like your muffin? You like the muffin?
Yeah, right.
Careful.
Go cut.
Jill.
Another one? Not another one, really?
Daddy, is there another beach we go camp?
Yep, we're going right now. It says we're day dating.
Big corn. La 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 la. Over there. See it?
Nope. Here.
Look, there's jumping things. This is the new Bern getaway where we stayed at. This is my pirate ship over here. This is the bottom of my pirate ship. It has a slide. It has some telescope. I'm a pirate.
Just left the town of New Bern. It was a nice town. We stopped in for coffee at the Trent River Coffee. It was much needed after yesterday's drive. Nice and relaxing facility. There's fishies in there. So the ferry's back open now. After getting turned around yesterday, we're gonna head back out to Cedar Island and take the ferry to Ocracoke. This will be the first ferry service that opens since the power's been out. About to go on the ferry. Age, you got turtle? Look, wave to the TV crew.
The next day, the ferry was open. To Ocracoke Island we go.
there. The first ferry since the electricity's been restored to Ocracoke and Hatteras Island. We tried getting on yesterday and got sent back, camped at New Bern. Now we're finally on this ferry and able to get to Ocracoke. So it's pretty exciting. And after that drive, let's take a long needed nap. There's free Wi-Fi on this ship, so I can be able to upload videos. Yeah. It does 11 knots. I think the trip's about an hour, 2 hours. It has an 11-foot draft. Birdie.
We finally made it to Ocracoke Island. Stay tuned for more adventures. Small goal, big world, let's travel it. I'm the Banjoe Traveler. Follow us on all adventures by subscribing to the channel.